Hey friends, if you wish to enable verbose or highly detailed status messages in Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So search for registry editor in the Windows search bar and open registry editor. Then in the left pane you need to go to this key, H key local machine software. I'll show you from the very beginning. H key local machine software Microsoft. Then scroll down and click on Windows current version, policies, and then finally system. Now on the list on the right hand side, we will either create or check for an entry named verbose status. Right click, new DO32-bit value verbose status. Double click on it and change the value data to 1. Hit enter. And this will do the job for you. All you need to do is restart your computer. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.